How to fix Windows application not working or launching problem. Hi everyone, this is Kate and welcome back to another video, and on this tutorial we will see how we can fix if some of your Windows application are not functioning well or are not opening. So without further delay, let's get started with this video. First of all, on your Windows you have to click on the settings and in the search bar search for settings. Now under your settings, navigate to this menu bar on your left hand side, then click on apps. Now navigate to the first option, that is installed app. So here you will see all of your installed application in your Windows 11. From here, select the application that is causing the error or that is not opening or launching. If you cannot find it here, you can search using the search bar as well. For example, let's say my WhatsApp application is not working. For that, click on this three dot icon next to the WhatsApp, then click on advanced options. Under advanced option, you have to scroll down a bit and there you have two options, repair and reset. Here it says if this application is not working right, you can repair it. The application data won't be affected. So first of all, click on repair once this is complete, and if the application is still not working, now you can reset the application, but that will delete your application data. So in that case, you may have to relog in into WhatsApp. By doing so, your application may work now, but if this still does not help you, then what you can do is you can uninstall the application. Click on this three dot next to the application, click on uninstall. After that, reinstall the application and check whether your problem will be solved or not, but that will help you. You can also run the command using the command prompt if there is any corruption in the application or in your system. So for that, click on the search icon and in the search bar you have to click on CMD, and then here click on run as administrator, then click on yes. Now once this command prompt pop up in your interface, here you have to type in the command scan now. Once you're done typing the command, then press enter in your keyboard, and that's gonna scan any of the issue in your device and will help you fix your problem. And that's all for today's video. Hope this video was helpful, and if you're new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for more videos.